Welcome to this video demonstration of the routes functions within PDMX for SAP Business One. The administrative module of PDMX for SAP Business One offers functions which allow you to define, plan and execute delivery routes to customers. These routes are based on templates that you can define and which can be based, for instance, on geographic criteria, the area in which you want to execute deliveries, or for instance on the day of the week that you need to deliver to the customers. To these templates you can add clients, you can delete clients, or you can change the order of delivery for the route. Once you have defined these templates, you can use them to verify whether there are specific deliveries that have to be made for a specific route. So you select the date, you select the template, you select the warehouse from which you are going to execute the route, and then the system will check whether there are sales orders that need to be delivered for this route. And in fact, you see we have got here 3 customers on the route for which we have open sales orders, and where you see that the full stock is available to deliver to these customers. Based on this, we can then generate pick lists so that picking of the routes can already take place. Apart from the details of the route, we also have a route planning tool. In this route planning tool, you have the possibility to view the routes that you have to execute. You can put them in a specific quadrant here. So here you see that for this route we have 3 pick lists that have to be delivered, and we see that for this route we also have 3 pick lists that need to be delivered. Here you see a number of pick lists or pick list proposals that have not been assigned to a specific route, and that can be dragged and dropped onto the route which you want to execute. So we just have it here, or we can add it to another route. In this context, it is also possible to change the order of delivery of the route, because this is the order which the system will propose to the operator when he's going to ship the goods to the customer. We also offer a routes map in which the routes can be visualized. So here you see that we have 2 routes, a route in the northwest of England and a route in the northeast of England, and you can zoom in on the drop-off points, and it will also be possible to change the delivery order based on the traffic conditions that you meet. Once you have released or generated the pick list for a specific route, the shipment of the route will depend on the moment that the supervisor or the warehouse manager will release the route. Only at that moment will it become available for the operator on in the warehouse, and only then will he be able to ship the goods for that specific route. So if we select this route and say that we are going to release it, it will now become available on the shop floor in the warehouse, and then the operator will be able to ship for this route. So in order to do that, he selects the sales button on his terminal. He indicates that he's going to do a shipping. He's indicating from which shipping dock he's going to do the shipping, and then he's indicating that he's going to do the shipping based on a specific route. Then he says these are the routes that are available to ship for, and if you then select that route, the system will show here the logistic units that will have to be shipped for that route in the order that they will have to be loaded onto the truck. This concludes the demonstration of the route planning functionality in PDMX for SAP Business One.